Good day, friends and families. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good. It's your girl Estelle, and I'm back again this week with a new video and a new recipe to share with you guys. So the recipe that I've got to share with you guys today is a popular, delicious West African street food called Poulet Bicyclette grillé. Also, some people call it poulet flambé grillé, and it's a popular dish that you will find it in so many restaurants and alongside the road, particularly in the French-speaking countries of West Africa. And as always, guys, I'm pretty sure if you watch the video till the end, you would love this recipe, and you may want to give it a try. So, my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So, friends and families, to get started, I've got 2 full chicken which I have flattened so it can fit my cooking pan because I'm going to boil it. And normally you just use salt and pepper and oil for this recipe, but today I'm going to show you my way of how to make this delicious street food. So I'm going to start by adding some salt for taste, some garlic powder, some ginger powder, and to that I will be adding some oregano, and here I will be adding some knorr seasoning. And again, guys, this is the knorr seasoning I will be using to add for this chicken, and trust me, it's a very delicious recipe when it comes to use it for cooking, making your salads or your grills. And next I'm adding some dried bay leaves, and here I'm adding 1 red scotch bonnet pepper. And finally, I will be adding some water to help cook the chicken. If you are using the hard chicken like me, you're gonna give it time for the chicken to cook. And this would normally take between 30 to 1 hour. And also your fire should be set to medium heat. And that is to give a time to your hard or boiled chicken, should I say, to cook properly. And next, I'm going to show you some nice sauce that I will make to spread onto the chicken when I remove it from the boiling side prior to grilling. Into my bowl, I've got some fresh tomatoes which I've pre-blended. And to that, I will be adding some grated garlic, some grated ginger, some smoked paprika. And here I'm adding some blended sweet chili pepper. And I will be adding a juice of 1 lime. And next here I'm adding some liquid knorr seasoning, and finally some oil. And I will give it a mix until it's well mixed. And once it's well mixed, I will taste it to make sure the taste is into my desired taste. And guys, at this stage you don't need salt because we've already added some salt into the chicken, so there is no salt needed in this part. And I'll go ahead and cover it and set it aside for later. So next it's time to check our chicken, and it's been roughly an hour since I'm slow cooking this, and it's now almost cooked. So I'm going to remove it and taking it to the next step. And here is our chicken which I've removed from the cooking pan, and I'm going to spread the sauce over it until everything is well coated. And once it's well coated, I'm going to cover it and leave it to marinate for at least 4 hours, guys. But you could leave this for longer than 4 hours if you wish. The longer the better. Okay guys, it's time to check our chicken, and it's been 4 hours since this is marinating. Voila, it's now well marinated, juicy, and ready for the next step. So guys, I'm going to transfer this into my grill tray, and once done I will be taking it to the grill, and I will basically grill it until it's fully cooked and grilled. Guys, at this stage it shouldn't take long since it's almost cooked, so it would normally take between 10 to 15 minutes to get it to grill to your desired taste. Et voila! Alright friends and families, it's time to check our grill, and while off camera I've turned the chicken and marinated the other side and grill it. Finally both sides has been cooked. Yummy. So it's time to let it rest for 5 minutes before serving, and today I will be serving this with some side achike. And most of you guys knows what achike means. It's a local popular dish from Ivory Coast, Cote d'Ivoire, and basically you could use it to serve alongside your grilled fish, your grilled chicken, or your delicious soup, and it would taste yummy. Alright friends and families, I hope you've liked today's video, and if you did, please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment in the comment section below, and also share the video with your friends and families. And if you are new to my channel, and if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for tuning up, and please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share my videos with your friends and families. Alright friends and families, until then I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.